Every year is a year of upgrades. Companies, which are the producers, upgrade their products based on the needs and wants of the consumers. Consumers like me always seek for the new trends, but the problem is, I don't have any cash. Or my parents doesn't have that money to buy me things my friends have. The question is, why do people spend more money on things they don't need than things they do need? The answer is simply desire. Desire is when it's something a person doesn't need. It's something they want. They strongly desire to have that whatever it is, even if it means putting off paying for something they need. Desire is a powerful thing, whereas simply needing something isn't much of a motivator unless it's an immediate, urgent need. Sa bahay namin dito ko nilalagay sa garbage bag ang mga gamit ko. Oo, sa garbage bag kasi we can't afford to buy a drawer. Pero syempre joke lang yun, it's for the sake of this film. Sa dinami-rami ng mga gamit ko, ito lang naman ang mga paulit-ulit na kailangan ko. Black t-shirt, pair of jeans, glasses, socks, watch, handkerchief, phone, at syempre underwear. Di ko naman na kailangan sabihin yun, di ba? Plain black t-shirt ang lagi kong suot kasi mainit ang printed shirt at madaling marumihan ang plain white shirt. Pair of jeans kasi sale sa bench. Kailangan ko rin talagang magsuot ng glasses kasi di ko talaga makikita yung mga dumarang chicks sa harapan ko. Hindi rin talaga ako lumalabas ng bahay na wala akong suot na relo, kahit wala naman siyang oras sa akin. Gamit rin ako ng panyo kasi alam ko namang talagang mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Subscribe kung talagang mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Gumagamit rin ako syempre ng smartphone kasi di naman tayo taong gubat para di magkaroon ng isa. That's pretty much it. Ito lang naman ang mga kailangan ko sa pang-araw-araw. Bilang isang Pilipino, syempre narinig na natin ang kinsenas or ang 15th month pay. 15th month pay is a half-month period specially applied for wage payment in a period of 15 days. This is basically most of our fellow Filipinos get excited because it's the time of the month where they think they're rich but after a day or so, they are poor again. Alam nyo ba kung saan mostly napupunta ang mga sahod ng Pinoy? Yes, tamang hula nyo, sa smartphones. A recent survey shows that 7% of the respondents said they bought a brand new gadget with their 15th month pay. Majority of these respondents belong to the age group 28 to 35. And close to half of them said they didn't allocate any amount of money for their savings. 1 in 2 Filipinos, who are also within the age 24 to 33, with no savings said they didn't bother saving because their 15th month pay wasn't big enough to start with. And there were too many occasions during the season and too many sales that are hard to miss. Bilang isang estudyante at social media individual, lagi kong napapansin na may mga ads na nagpop-up like Lazada, Zalora at Shopee. Hindi natin may iwasang hindi i-click ito dahil magaganda talaga yung mga produktong pinapakita nila at kung may nagustuhan ka, waldas. Many of students in the provinces and also in the cities go to school and work at the same time. They also have a racket to help their parents financially, and some of known universities give these working students a chance to have a scholarship by working as a librarian or a student assistant. Sa panahon ngayon, kapag nakitang may bagong bag ang classmate o tropa mo, bibili ka. Nakitang may bagong labas na sapatos, bibili ka. May bagong labas na iPhone at dahil inaruga ka ng magulang mo, "Ma, belbo kong iPhone. Cool kid ako eh." Speaking of cool kid, trend na ngayon ang mga nagpapabraces kahit maayos naman ang ngipin. Ang rason? Kasi kaya ng magulang kong bayaran ang 50k worth of braces. Very wrong. Hindi tinatain ng mga magulang natin ang pera at kung tinatain man nila, malamang mayaman na tayo, tandaan mo yan. Mayaman! Bilang isang aspiring YouTuber, napapansin ko ito sa mga ibang kagaya ko rin. Nagkaroon lang ng 100 subscribers sa YouTube. Gusto mo agad ng may camera ka? Complete with mic at tripod. Stop thinking about, should I upgrade my camera? Should I get that mic? Or should I get that tripod? Better ask yourself, how can I get better? Kayo naman ang tatanungin ko, saan ka kumukuha ng pera? Sa mga magulang mo pa rin ba? O sarili mo na itong hanap? Comment down below. Tandaan mo to boy, hindi mo makukuha yung material na bagay kapag ikaw ay wala na dito sa lupa. Kaya piliin ng mabuti ang mga kailangan at gusto mo lang bilhin kasi kaya ng mga magulang mo. Learn to work hard for it at hindi mo kailangang mag-upgrade ng mga gamit every now and then. Sabi nga nila, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Bon Ollie, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm an aspiring YouTuber, and a simple click on that subscribe button and notification really means a lot to me.
Parang kalbo red, kalbo sa taas yung kalbo dito.
Diba yung cellphone niya na yung pag-picture natin, boy?
Yun. Uy, tingin dito.